You've been doing the work. You've cleared the space, you've sat with the quiet. You've started to move, slowly, intentionally, toward something. And somewhere in that movement, something small appeared, a pull, an interest, a moment that felt lighter than the others, something that felt like it could be joy. And then, almost without thinking, you questioned it. Is this real? Am I just avoiding something harder? What if I follow it and it doesn't work out? What if it's not as good as it feels right now? That moment, the moment after the signal, that's what we're exploring today. For most of our lives, we've been in a relationship with joy that looked something like this. You earn it, you get it after the work is done, after everyone else is taken care of, after you've proven that you deserve to feel good. We've learned to push through. We've learned to perform. We've learned to meet everyone else's needs first and call that virtue. And somewhere in all of that conditioning, ease became suspicious. If something feels good without effort, without a clear reason, we don't quite trust it. We've been taught that worthiness has to be earned. So joy that simply arrives, it feels like it must be a mistake. This isn't a flaw in your thinking. This is what years of putting yourself last actually looks like. In the body, in the mind. It's a pattern, and patterns can shift. But what if the discomfort isn't a warning? What if it's an invitation? You don't have to leap toward this thing that feels like joy. You don't have to commit to it, declare it, or build your next chapter around it today. Know that you don't have to dismiss it either. What if instead of asking, "Is this real?" you simply asked, "What would it mean if it were?" That's a different kind of question. It's not a leap, it's a door. Slightly open. You're not being naive. You're not getting carried away. You are learning, perhaps for the first time in a very long time, to let something good be real. And that this feeling is not too good to be true. That is exactly what alignment feels like when it finally arrives. So just for today, not forever, not as a commitment, I want you to try something small. When something catches your attention and feels lighter than the rest, don't explain it away. Let it exist for a moment without a verdict. That's how it begins. If this landed for you today, will you give this video a like? It genuinely helps more women find this conversation, and that matters. And if you're not subscribed yet, I'd love for you to join us. I'll see you in the next video.